Hi guys, it's Nani. I'm back with another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be doing Fenty Beauty makeup tutorial. A lot of people have different strategies of using this makeup product. I personally love it because I do have oily skin and it's more of a matte texture than it is of an oily texture. So let's get started, guys. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with the Soft Matte Primer by Fenty Beauty. This primer actually is matte as well, or if that's a word. It's more of a matte texture as well. I put shea butter on my face before I put this on, just so my face won't be super dry looking. After you put that on, I'm going to be putting the foundation on, and this foundation is in the color 350. I'm just going to squirt it, dab it with this Fenty Beauty blender. I'm just going to put it all over my face. And it like blends out with your skin tone, if that makes sense. So if it's too light, too dark, it blends out with your skin tone. A lot of people don't like a lot of foundation, but since it's so matte, I do put a little more than I usually would on my face. I'm going to be using just a rounded oval brush. I got these off of Amazon. They're like 25 bucks. They're not that expensive at all. Just to spread it out a little. And now I'm going to be using these matchsticks. They're cheaper bundled, basically. And I'm going to be using the matchstick in the color caramel. Just to give it a brighter look, and I'm going to be using just a regular beauty blender that I have, and just blend it out. When I blend under my eyes, I go down. So go over, go back, and go down. I draw it downwards. Now it's time to contour. And I'm going to be using the color Truffle. Jaw area because I do low-key have a double chin, so this makes it not look like a double chin. Yep, that's my secret. Then I'm gonna be using this brush. I got it from Target. It came in like a pack, but they're usually at Target or Walmart. Blend it in, and then bam. I'm gonna blend this out, move it towards my hairline. And then for this, I'm going to blend this in. Pat it in a little. And then I'm going to be using NARS powder in the color Mountain. It's time to bake. Okay, it's time to bake. And I mix this, the e.l.f., I don't know what color this is, it's just white, and then NARS because it is sort of darker on my skin. This is more of a brown color, and this is just white. So I mix them. As you can see, it came out like a tan color. I usually do use this little brush to blend because this part of my face is way more oily than the other parts of my face. So I just then I'm going to be using this brush and I'm blending it in. Now I'm going to be using the color Rum to highlight. It looks just like going that way. I am going to be using two brushes to blend my highlighter in. I use this one for the Stix because the Stix are more thicker and they don't really blend with this brush, if that makes sense. I also use Trippin'. And this is Trippin'. And I'm gonna blend this one out. I also use this Anastasia palette or contour kit. It's old. I use this orange color. I believe this is a medium color. I'm sorry, I have like powder in there, but I use this orange color to give me more of a tan tone, more of a glowing tone. It just makes your skin pop more, and I use that right around here. I'm going to be using Trophy Wife. And then I'm going to be blending it in with the other highlighters. Blend it, and as you can see, it's popping. Okay, it's popping. And now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I take this Anastasia Dip & Brow in the color Ebony, and I put it in the top because it does dry out fast. Using LA concealer, the color medium beige. I'm going to put it on my hand. I don't put a lot. And go down. Use a ear swab. I think they're called ear swabs or cotton swab, whatever it's called. I usually use these to blend it out. I am going to put some mascara on real quick. But this is a final look. And guys, this is the final look. This is usually how I do my makeup. But this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment below what you want to see, and I promise I will get back with more videos. And yeah, thanks guys, bye.